I've used so many cleansers in the past, so I know the difference between a good cleanser and a bad cleanser. So I'm currently using the Estee Lauder Day Wear Glow Boost Jelly Cleanser. I'm actually using it alongside the Day Wear Moisturizer. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the cleanser. So this is like the third week since I started using this, and this is what I have to say about it. So before I tell you about it, my experience and everything, it says that it removes makeup. Honestly, I haven't used it all by itself to take makeup off because I'm a double cleansing girl. So maybe I'll try it this night, but probably in the description I'll let you know if it really did take makeup off. But anyway, I use it generally. So on the days I have a lot of makeup on, I double cleanse and then I use it, and then I use it in the morning and in the night time. And then it claims that it removes SPF and pollutants. Then this contains calming cucumber. Let's move to the fragrance. It has a very lovely fragrance to it. It smells fresh. It's something that, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you want to wash your face, you smell. It's uplifting, it's very refreshing, and I truly love that. Even though I do not like products with fragrance, but thankfully I have no concerns with this. This isn't irritating or anything. And I remember the first time I used this, I went overboard. I took quite a lot and it was such a waste of product. So that being said, very little goes a long way, and that's really, really good. And another thing is that it says it's a jelly cleanser, and jelly cleansers, I mean, they're not supposed to be stripping. So I can put this to test. This isn't stripping at all, because trust me, I hate when I wash my face and my face feels squeaky clean. And when I mean squeaky clean, I mean, like, you know, when after washing your face, it feels like the face is so dry. It's like maybe, you know, someone's put like cement or something on the face. I do not like that. I like when I wash my face feels clean yet hydrated, if you know what I mean. So that's definitely how my face feels whenever I use this. Before I jumped on this, I was already using one of my regular cleansers and I wasn't exactly satisfied. I decided to give this a shot, and I'm glad I did. Otherwise, I would have just given it away. I nearly gave this away because I'm just like that. Anyway, so that's it. It's not stripping at all. It is really good. It's very calming, and honestly, I'm glad I discovered this cleanser. It is absolutely worth it. Moving over to the moisturizer, this is the Estee Lauder Day Wear Anti-Oxidant 72-Hour Hydration Sorbet Cream, and it has SPF 15. So this has fragrance as well, but the fragrance isn't as strong as the cleanser. It is milder than the cleanser. So what do I think about this? It is really lightweight. Even though it's lightweight, it is very hydrating. Trust me when I say that, because I have tried a lot of moisturizers in the past, from the heavy ones to the lightweight ones. Some lightweight ones are so light that I just end up using other moisturizers to top up, or even using oils or something like that. But this one is lightweight, it's very fresh, but it's something that, like, whenever I use, my face doesn't dry out and it doesn't leave my face greasy, if you get what I mean. So it's perfect, especially now that it's summertime, because I mean, my regular moisturizers, I tend to find that they feel quite heavy and greasy in the summertime. So this does not feel like that. I just use it behind my hand, so that's what it looks like. It's not, my skin looks quite plump, and trust me, it's just a very lovely moisturizer. I mean, that's why I decided to come here to do the review, because I was going to give this product away. I'm not going to lie, but I'm glad I did try them. So it is very refreshing. It doesn't clog the pores. And when you have it on, it doesn't feel, you don't feel like you're suffocating, because there's some moisturizers out there that when you put them on, the face feels really heavy. This is not like that. And despite the fact that it is lightweight, it is very hydrating, and it says it's 72-hour hydration. I mean, I wouldn't know because I wash my face every single night, but I would say that whenever I use it, my face feels really plump, hydrated, and absolutely fine. And I tend to use this on the days that I don't go out, because it has SPF 15. So on those days I don't wear my regular SPF because I mean I'll be indoors, so I throw this on. On the days that I go out, I would normally skip a moisturizer. I'll just use my SPF because my SPF is quite moisturizing. So I use this on the days I stay at home, and it's something that I absolutely, I mean, I'm glad I jumped on it. It looks small, but trust me, little goes a long way. These two products, they are just amazing in my opinion. And like I said, it has fragrance, but the fragrance, I haven't got any issues at all with the fragrance. So what do I think about this? In a nutshell, is it worth it? It is absolutely worth it. And the thing is that even like the cleanser now, the cleanser looks very little, but trust me, little goes a long way. It does its job. And you know, sometimes when I use other cleansers like drugstore cleansers, sometimes I find out that maybe after if my face is really dirty, I would have to go over it a couple of times. But with this one, like I said, little goes a long way. So that's it in a nutshell about this cleanser and moisturizer. Is this something you are considering trying, or have you tried it before? Have you tried any Estee Lauder products, especially skincare products, before? Let me know in the comment section below. I have used their foundation and I absolutely love it. Generally, I love me Estee Lauder products. They are just, I can't even, words can't explain how I love their products. So I'm not surprised that I love this as well, because I'm yet to find that product from Estee Lauder that I do not like. So anyway, with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.